Hey guys, it's your girl Simone S. Gray, and I'm here to tell you what you need to do before you jump rope. I'm going to give you some steps that you need to do in order to ensure that you have a great rope jumping experience. So here's what we're going to do first. First, we're going to do some stretches. You need to stretch your calves, you need to stretch your Achilles heel so you don't overwork the muscle before you even start working. So here you can do it by yourself. And we're going to just go up on the balls of our feet, and we're going to come down. Up on the balls of our feet, and we're going to come down. And you're going to do that a few times. You don't have a necessary count, but maybe do 10 times, especially if this is the first time that you're jumping rope. So that's 4, 5, and you should feel it in your heel. You should feel it. 3, here you go. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your foot, and you're going to grab the balls of your feet, and you're going to stretch.
Tip of your foot.
You should feel that. What I do is I grab my big toe, and I stretch it. And I count 10, and then I release it, the heel of my foot. And you're going to do that on the other side. You're going to grab your foot, grab your big toe, hold on to something so you don't fall. You should feel that in your Achilles heel. But you want to stretch the muscles before you go right into jumping. Perfect. And you're going to release it. So you're almost there. The next thing is you're going to do some stretches. Thank you, Lord. There you have it. Those are the little bit of stretches that I do before we get into jumping. Also, you have your jump rope.
Tell them where they could get it from.
In the link, I'm going to put a link down. You can click on my affiliate link for Amazon, and you can get my preferred jump rope is Zodi. I love it. It's been my best friend since I got it.
Price.
It's very lightweight. It comes in different colors. What?
The price. Tell them the price.
It's about, you get 2 for about $12. So you can get 2, and you get to choose the colors. My favorite color is green. Okay. Also, when you jump rope, make sure that you're not jumping on flat feet. When I first started jumping rope, I used to land on flat feet. That's not good. That's gonna mess your knees up. So when you start, you have a stance, your knees are bent a little. Let me show you. Not hunched all the way over, but you just need your knees to be bent. Because one thing about jumping rope, you're actually not jumping, you're bouncing. So you're bouncing with the rope. And the thing that works the hardest in jumping rope is your wrist. You're not turning your arms all the way, but you're doing it with your wrist. Okay. And you're landing on the balls of your feet. So you're going to bounce. 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 Never should you be jumping. Jumping. Never jump. Not on your flat feet. That hurts your knees. Now you're all ready to jump. And as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little short. I'm about 5'2", 5'2.5".
5 foot.
So your rope should be about 2 feet taller than you. So here we go. Go around me and watch my get my wrist.
See? Tippy toes. Yes, I'm getting it.
My wrist?
Yep.
That's pretty much it. Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next time. Bye bye.